Why financial planning is essential for your future. Financial planning is essential for your future for several reasons. Here are some of the key reasons why financial planning is important. 1. Helps you achieve your financial goals. Financial planning helps you identify your financial goals and develop a roadmap to achieve them. It enables you to prioritize your spending and saving, so you can work towards your goals systematically. Whether you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or save for retirement, financial planning can help you achieve your goals faster. 2. Provides a sense of security. Financial planning provides a sense of security and peace of mind. By having a solid financial plan, you can better prepare for unexpected events such as job loss, illness, or emergencies. You can also protect your family's financial future by setting up insurance policies, creating an emergency fund, and saving for retirement. 3. Helps you make informed decisions. Financial planning provides you with a comprehensive understanding of your financial situation. It enables you to make informed decisions about investments, savings, and spending. By analyzing your income, expenses, and assets, you can identify areas where you can cut back on spending or increase your income. 4. Helps you create a budget. A budget is a crucial component of financial planning. By creating a budget, you can better manage your income and expenses. It enables you to allocate your funds wisely and track your spending to ensure that you are living within your means. 5. Enables you to plan for retirement. Retirement planning is an important aspect of financial planning. So don't just think, get it done now. Plan your finances today for a brighter tomorrow. For details and free advice, contact Asim Moosavi, financial planner.